Some mornings, just getting to the kitchen feels like a workout. Your knees creak, your ankles feel stiff, and that old bounce in your step just isn't what it used to be. Maybe your legs swell after sitting too long, or walking leaves you sore for hours. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. These changes can sneak up on us as the years go by, and many people think it's just part of aging. But what if I told you there's more to the story? What's happening deep inside your joints and muscles often comes down to something most people don't even think about: collagen. It's the glue that holds our bodies together, literally. Collagen keeps your joints cushioned, your skin firm, your tendons flexible, and your muscles supported. But here's the catch. After around age 60, your natural collagen levels start to drop. Slowly but surely, this loss starts showing up in very real ways, like swelling in your legs, aching joints, slower recovery, and that feeling of stiffness when you first get up. But here's the good news. You can nourish your body and support your joints naturally by eating the right foods. Not expensive supplements or mystery powders, but real, everyday foods that are rich in collagen or help your body make more of it. And when you give your body the building blocks it needs, it can start to rebuild strength, reduce inflammation, and bring more ease and comfort to your movement. So today, I want to share 8 collagen-rich and collagen-boosting foods that can help you say goodbye to swelling and hello to stronger legs and healthier joints. These are delicious, simple foods that fit easily into your everyday routine, and they really work. Let's start with one of the most time-honored healing foods out there: bone broth. If you've ever made soup from scratch using bones and simmered it slowly for hours, you've seen that jelly-like consistency when it cools. That's real collagen. Bone broth is full of nutrients that directly support your joints and connective tissues, like gelatin, glycine, and proline. It's like giving your body a gentle, nourishing repair kit. Whether you sip it warm in the morning or use it as a base for soups, stews, or even cooking rice, bone broth is a simple way to get more natural collagen into your day. And these days, if you don't want to make your own, you can find high-quality bone broth in stores. Just check the label to make sure it doesn't have too much added salt. Next up is something many of us already enjoy: eggs. But here's what you might not know. Eggs, especially the yolks, are full of nutrients that help your body produce collagen on its own. They're rich in protein, biotin, and choline, all of which support healthy skin, joints, and muscles. And while we don't eat the eggshells, the membrane just inside is made of the same type of collagen found in your joints. That tells you just how powerful this little food can be. Scrambled, hard-boiled, or sunny-side up, however you like your eggs, they're a smart, simple way to give your body a collagen boost with every bite. And despite the old myths about cholesterol, eggs are now considered heart-healthy for most people and even help reduce inflammation. Let's move on to a true powerhouse of joint health: salmon. This beautiful fish is packed with omega-3 fatty acids that soothe inflammation and ease joint pain. It's also high in protein and nutrients like zinc, which are essential for collagen production and muscle repair. If your knees or ankles often feel swollen or sore, adding salmon to your meals just once or twice a week can make a big difference over time. You can bake it, grill it, or flake it into a salad. And if salmon isn't your favorite, you might try sardines or mackerel. They offer similar benefits in a smaller, affordable package. Now, for something sweet: berries. These little fruits may look delicate, but they're packed with powerful antioxidants and loads of vitamin C. And vitamin C is key when it comes to collagen. It helps your body build it and protects your joints from damage. Blueberries, strawberries, blackberries, whichever you like, they're all great choices. Try adding a handful to your breakfast, blending them into a smoothie, or enjoying them as a mid-afternoon snack. They're refreshing, naturally sweet, and a gentle way to support your body from the inside out. As you begin to add these healing foods: bone broth, eggs, salmon, and berries into your daily meals, you're not just eating, you're rebuilding. You're helping your joints stay cushioned, your muscles supported, and your legs strong. It's not about quick fixes or magic cures. It's about steady, nourishing change. The kind that adds up day by day, bite by bite. And trust me, your body notices. It responds with less swelling, more energy, and a quiet confidence that builds as your steps become smoother, steadier, and more comfortable again. There's even more goodness to share, more natural, collagen-rich foods that can help you move with strength and ease. One food that doesn't get nearly enough credit when it comes to joint health is chicken skin. Yes, you heard that right. For so long, we were told to avoid the skin, to strip it off and toss it aside. But here's something the old advice never mentioned. Chicken skin is one of the most concentrated natural sources of collagen you can eat. That slightly chewy texture? That's collagen-rich connective tissue. Now, of course, we don't want to overdo it or deep fry it every day. But when prepared simply, grilled, roasted, or baked, leaving the skin on your chicken adds not only flavor, but also real joint-supporting nourishment. Just think, your Sunday roasted chicken might be doing more for your knees than you ever realized. Speaking of rich and nourishing foods, let's take a moment to appreciate organ meats, particularly liver. I know, it's not everyone's favorite. But don't scroll away just yet. Liver, especially from grass-fed animals, is packed with nutrients that your body uses to build collagen, including vitamin A, zinc, copper, and iron. These are the behind-the-scenes helpers that make collagen production possible. And it doesn't take much. Even eating liver once every week or two can give your body a powerful dose of what it needs. If you're not a fan of the taste, try mixing a small portion into ground meat for meatballs or a savory stew. It's an old-fashioned food that modern nutrition is finally coming back to because it works. Now let's brighten things up with a splash of citrus. Oranges, lemons, limes, and grapefruits aren't just refreshing, they're loaded with vitamin C, one of the most important vitamins for collagen synthesis. Without enough vitamin C, your body struggles to form strong, flexible connective tissue. And the beautiful thing is, citrus fruits are easy to enjoy. Squeeze lemon juice over your salad, add orange slices to your breakfast, or sip on a glass of grapefruit juice in the afternoon. Not only do these fruits support collagen, but they also help reduce inflammation, improve circulation, and keep your joints feeling limber. That little burst of tangy flavor? That's nature's medicine, right there on your plate. Now, here's one you might already have in your pantry: garlic. It might not be a direct source of collagen, but it plays a powerful supporting role. Garlic contains sulfur, which your body uses in the collagen building process. It also has anti-inflammatory properties, meaning it can help ease joint swelling and stiffness, especially when eaten regularly. The great thing about garlic is how easy it is to add to almost anything: soups, stir-fries, roasted vegetables, or even spread on toast with a little olive oil. And don't worry about the strong flavor. Your body will thank you for it. Garlic has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for a reason. It's one of those quiet heroes that works behind the scenes to support your health every single day. As we move through these wonderful foods, chicken skin, liver, citrus fruits, and garlic, you might start to see a pattern. Real food. Simple ingredients. Things your grandmother probably cooked with all the time. That's because traditional diets, especially those from cultures that valued nose-to-tail eating and fresh produce, naturally included the nutrients we now know are essential for collagen and joint health. Today, with processed foods and quick meals, it's easy to lose that connection. But the good news is, it's never too late to come back to it. Every nourishing meal you prepare is a chance to rebuild not just your collagen, but your confidence. To feel stronger, steadier, and more comfortable in your own body. To walk without that nagging stiffness. To get up from the couch without wincing. To enjoy life with more freedom and less pain. And remember, this isn't about perfection. You don't need to eat all these foods every single day. Even just picking one or two to add into your week can make a noticeable difference over time. The body responds beautifully to kindness, and real, nutrient-dense food is one of the kindest things you can give it. You're not just feeding your stomach. You're feeding your joints, your bones, your muscles, and your spirit. There's something deeply empowering about taking charge of your health with your own two hands, one delicious meal at a time. Let's keep going. There's one more natural food that deserves a place on your plate, and it's one you might already love. Let's talk about one of the most enjoyable and versatile foods you can eat, avocados. Creamy, satisfying, and full of healthy fats, avocados are more than just a trendy toast topping. They're rich in vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect existing collagen from breaking down. They also contain compounds that reduce joint inflammation and keep the tissues around your knees, hips, and ankles hydrated and elastic. What makes avocados so special is how they support the whole picture, inside and out. While they don't contain collagen themselves, they help create the perfect environment in your body for collagen to thrive. Think of them as your joint's best friend, working quietly behind the scenes to keep everything moving smoothly. You can mash them onto whole grain toast, blend them into smoothies, or slice them over salads. However you enjoy them, avocados are a small change that can lead to a big difference in how you feel. Now, with all 8 of these foods, bone broth, eggs, salmon, berries, chicken skin, liver, citrus fruits, garlic, and avocado, you're giving your body what it needs to support and rebuild collagen naturally. And when you do that, something beautiful starts to happen. The swelling in your legs begins to go down. Your joints feel a little looser, a little stronger. You wake up with more energy, and walking doesn't feel like such a chore anymore. Of course, healing isn't always instant. It takes time. But that's okay. Your body is always listening. Every good thing you put into it adds up. And it doesn't matter how old you are, it's never too late to start feeling better. Sometimes we underestimate just how powerful small changes can be. We think, I'm just one person, or it's just one meal, or I'm too old for this to work. But none of that is true. Your body is remarkably wise. Even in your 60s, 70s, or beyond, your body is still capable of repairing, strengthening, and improving if you give it the right tools. And the best part? These aren't strange, hard-to-find superfoods. They're everyday ingredients. Real food. The kind you might already have in your kitchen. The kind that's been healing bodies for generations, long before we even understood how collagen worked. So whether you're dealing with swelling in your legs, stiffness in your knees, or just feeling like you've lost some of that spring in your step, know this: you are not stuck. You are not broken. Your body is not beyond help. You just need to feed it what it's been asking for all along. Start where you are. Choose 1 or 2 of these collagen-rich foods to add into your week. Notice how you feel. Pay attention to the little improvements: less pain getting out of bed, easier time climbing stairs, more ease in your walk. These are signs that your body is responding, that it's healing, that you're on the right track. And remember, you're not alone on this journey. So many others are walking the same path, seeking relief, seeking strength, seeking hope. If this video has helped you, I'd love to hear your thoughts. What foods have worked for you? What changes have you noticed? Share your experience in the comments below. You never know who might be encouraged by your story. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. We're building a community here, one where aging is not about decline, but about possibility. About finding new ways to thrive, no matter your age. So here's to you, to stronger legs, smoother joints, and a more joyful, comfortable life. Here's to every step you take with more ease, every morning that feels a little brighter, and every meal that nourishes you in more ways than one. You deserve to feel good in your body. And with a few simple changes, you absolutely can. Here's to living your best life at any age.